And now I'd like to introduce Love Makes Us One. Vania Elizabeth Chan is a versatile artist active in the fields of vocal performance, academia, and education. She enjoys collaborating with fellow artists to create new and exciting projects that inspire and educate a wide-ranging audience. Vania received her PhD from York University and her master's in music from the Manhattan School of Music, New York. Her doctoral dissertation explored the topics of mindfulness and self-regulation. She continues to expand her research through her interview series, When Music Meets Mindfulness, released on her YouTube channel, Vania Chan Music, and published in the Whole Note magazine. She will present a lecture at the International Congress of Voice Teachers coming up this summer. Vania is grateful to continue working as co-artistic director with composers Chan Ka Nin and Alice Ho, organizing, hosting, and performing in the annual Asian Heritage Month concert in Toronto. Her 2025-2026 performance season also includes projects with Little Pear Garden Theatre, Sound Streams, and the Resonance Baroque Ensemble. Another person I'd really like to introduce is Jodelyn Huang. She is the lyricist for Love Makes Us One. She created the lyrics and she's the Community Relations Officer at the Toronto Catholic School District Board for more than 20 years. She is a passionate advocate for diversity, equity, and inclusion and works closely with community partners, school administrators, and officials to bring the voices, ideas, and the cultural of racialized communities in education, such as in curriculum and policy development and community engagement. Her board portfolio, among others, includes newcomer and settlement services, Asian communities and heritage, visiting educational delegation, and Filipino advisory committee, and she's also a talented poet. So without further ado, I'd like to introduce Dr. Vania Chan. Thank you.
Thank you, Bosan, for the wonderful introduction. And so many thanks to composer Ka Nin Chan and to Jodelyn Huang for creating this lovely song celebrating uniqueness and diversity. It has been a delight to work on this piece with 6 wonderful children. I don't know if their photos are up there, but you'll see the Griffin children, Adeline, Baden, and Rylan, and the Karanchas children, Charlie, Naomi, and Theo. They're performing with me at the annual Asian Heritage Month concert Thursday, May 8th at 7 p.m. at Innis Town Hall, 2 Sussex Avenue. So if you are available, please come and see our performance. You'll have a complete performance with me singing with the children. Today we have a premiere, but it's just me, obviously. And Kanin asked me if, when he was putting this piece together, if I would like to channel my inner Maria von Trapp from The Sound of Music, singing with children, teaching children. And I love singing with children and teaching kids music. So of course I said yes. And also, who would want to give up on the opportunity to imagine themselves singing like Julie Andrews? So that was an obvious yes. I am different